In this video I'll create another Windows virtual machine. If you see here, I already created the Windows domain controller and the server 1. So I'll create the server 2 on this video. If you watch the server 1 creation, you can skip the server 2, and server 3 is going to be pretty much same, so you don't need to waste your time. Anyway, so to create a virtual machine, we need to go the workstation, create a new virtual machine. It will open up the wizard. There's two types of setup, typical and customs. I'll go with the custom setup. You can see here the compatibility and the limitation is pretty much self-explanatory. So click next. I'm going to use the Windows Server 2019 Essential. Next. Okay, and by default it will create a administrator. If you want to put the password, you can do it here, but I'll not put any password for this tutorial purpose. And for the product key, I'll keep the empty since this is the evaluation copy. Alright, and here you need to define the name. I will define server 2, and here is the location where the virtual machine will create. If you want to change the location, you can browse and you can change the location, but I'll keep the default here. So next, format type UEFI, I'll go with the default. I'll change here the processor number to, it will increase the power of your machines. Next, I'll go with the default 2 gig memory. Next, all the network NAT, LSI logic SAS that was recommended. I'll go with the recommended setting here, and I'll create a new virtual disk, and the disk size I'll define 30 gig. Okay, and it will store virtual disks on a single file. So click next. Here's the default location for the disk file. Alright, and here's the summary. The server name is server 2, Windows Server 2019. Here's the creation location. Hard disk 30, memory is 2 gig, network adapter is NAT, 4 CPU core. Okay, so finish. It will take some time. Until then, I'll pause the video. Alright, so here's the operating system that I was selected before. So this should be a Windows Server 2019. I just need to click next here, and it will start automatically. Okay, so the installation started automatically here. It will take few minutes, probably 7 to 8 minutes. It depends on your machine and computing power. Alright, so it just started. I'll pause the video here. Okay, so all of the installation completed. So let's check it here. Our machine is up and running. Alright, this PC, then look at the properties. Okay, so this machine is up and running. Alright, so on next video I'll create the SQL Server 3. Thank you.